Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're zooming right in on a massive milestone in the pharma world. With the endless stream of rapid-fire news we get every single day, it is incredibly easy to just skim past these dense, jargon-heavy headlines. But today, we're stopping, and we are unpacking one very specific development to figure out exactly what it means for global health.
Okay, let's dive into this. The breaking headline we are locking onto today reads exactly like this. Takeda Dengue vaccine QDENGA wins marketing approval in India. Now, every single word in that sentence carries some serious weight. It's this perfect storm of a corporate achievement, scientific breakthrough, and regulatory green light all rolled into one.
To really grasp the significance of a brief announcement like this, we've got to break it down into its core structural components, right? We're talking about the manufacturer, the actual breakthrough, the specific milestone, and the strategic location. By peeling back these layers, we can quickly map out exactly how this shakes up the broader pharmaceutical landscape. So, let's start with the product itself, QDENGA. This is a targeted vaccine manufactured by the pharma company Takeda, and it is engineered specifically to combat the dengue virus. Just to be clear, we're not talking about some general, run-of-the-mill treatment here. This is a highly specialized preventative measure designed to tackle a very specific and, frankly, very serious global infectious disease challenge.
This whole milestone really highlights the successful convergence of the creator and the creation. On one side, you have Takeda, the corporate powerhouse driving this forward. And on the other, you have this singular product, QDENGA, which they've successfully guided across a massive finish line. They've navigated that incredibly complex pipeline, going all the way from initial R&D straight to the commercial threshold.
Which brings us to a really crucial question. Why does this specific announcement break through all the noise? I mean, scientific products live in the development phase for years, sometimes even decades. But this right here marks the critical transition from being just a clinical concept to becoming a fully recognized, authorized solution. Now, what's really interesting about this is the key action itself, winning marketing approval. And notice the word wins. That is totally deliberate. It implies a rigorous, strict evaluation by regulators that Takeda actually had to beat. QDENGA has officially satisfied those demanding requirements, literally transforming from a product in clinical trials into one that is legally cleared for active distribution and commercial use. That is a huge deal.
But, as we know, regulatory victories are strictly jurisdictional. They have borders. And this headline anchors the milestone in a completely critical geography, India. This tells us exactly where this vaccine is now legally permitted to enter the market, engage with local healthcare systems, and actually start making a tangible impact on the population there.
All right, having unpacked all those individual elements, let's take a step back. We really need to look at the raw, undeniable facts derived from this milestone. When you're absorbing dense industry updates like this, it's always super helpful to quickly synthesize the core data points into a clear, actionable format so you don't get lost in the weeds.
So the crucial point is this. Takeda's QDENGA vaccine, targeting dengue, has officially won marketing approval in India, period. By isolating these core takeaways, the manufacturer Takeda, the product QDENGA, the target dengue, the milestone of winning marketing approval, and the specific region of India, we get a perfectly clear picture of the regulatory reality, completely free of any added noise.
Which leaves us with one final, very provocative question to think about. With marketing approval now fully secured in India, how exactly will QDENGA reshape the real-world fight against dengue? The regulatory groundwork is officially laid, and the next chapter is commercial application. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you next time.